Welcome to Shabnam's Cuisine. Today I'll be showing how to make chicken korma gravy curry. For this we need ingredients: chicken half kg washed, half cup fresh coconut, I've taken more than half cup, half onion chopped, 3 green chili, 1 teaspoon ginger and 1 teaspoon garlic chopped, half teaspoon saunf, half cup dahi yogurt, some curry leaves, onion sliced half, whole garam masala, bay leaf, 1 elaichi, peppercorn, cinnamon stick, half teaspoon haldi powder and half teaspoon pepper powder, coriander leaves for garnishing and half tomato cube, 3 tablespoons oil, salt to taste and little water. In a vessel, add 1 tablespoon oil, we'll add fresh coconut, onion, ginger garlic, green chili, saunf and roast well till light brown in a medium heat. You can see slight brown. Cool it and add in a grinder. Add half cup yogurt, dahi, some water and grind into smooth paste. In the same vessel, add 2 tablespoons oil, add whole garam masala, bay leaf, peppercorn, small cinnamon stick, lychee and onion slice and fry. Add curry leaves and fry till light brown. Next we'll add the coconut paste and mix well. Next we'll add haldi powder, pepper powder and again mix well. Add salt to taste. Add chicken and mix well. Add little water. Don't add too much water because chicken and yogurt will lose water. Cover and cook in a medium height for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes you will see the chicken is almost done. Again cover and cook for another 5 minutes in low heat. Next add tomato cube and mix well. Add coriander leaves and cook for another 3-4 minutes in a low heat. Your chicken korma curry is ready to serve. Enjoy with chapati, naan,